So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And here finally the progress reports for the Arcade Facilitator programs are out now. So in case you haven't checked it out, do check your emails. First of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's get started. So here is our progress reports. And finally the progress report emails are being out in batches. So in case you haven't received it, do check it, spam sections and promotion sections. And now I'll tell you about the progress report. So basically here you can see the basics of progress report is that it will show all the details like the number of games you have completed, number of trivias you have completed, number of skill badges you have completed, and the number of lab courses you have completed and the milestone which you have earned on. So how you understand the point system here in the Arcade Facilitator program homepage, you have to just come to the point system and here you can see the milestones are mentioned over here. For example, for milestone 1, here we have to complete 6 games equal to 6 points. 5 trivia games give 5 points. 14 skill badges give 7 points. And similarly, the lab free courses gives 2 points. And in total, we'll be having 20 points. Now here, the bonus points will be added once the program concludes, basically on 6th of October. So here you can see this is the basics. For milestone 2 also you can see an ultimate and 3 also. So basically, as you complete the games and trivia games and skill badges, you'll be able to see all this progress. Now, here basically, many of you are worried about the game completion and trivia and skill badge completion. So, here basically, once you complete to the playlist, basically come to the playlist, here you can see that once you come to the playlist, and here you can see that all the games are already live. You can check it out. All the playlists are already available here, and for the skill badge also and lapre courses, here is a complete sheet. Okay, you can just come over here and all are interlinked. I'm planning to make a multi sheet which will help you to complete it. So now here you can see all the skill badges are available over here. And similarly, if you want to complete the arcade games, you have to just click on it and you'll be redirected to the complete arcade games playlist. Now, if you're facing issues like unable to join the game, you can just come to the arcade homepage, okay, and just join the game. And here, if you want to find a solution, you can just check the playlist also. Now, many people are confused regarding the arcade and arcade insider email. So basically, arcade insider email contains all the points which you have earned from the starting. Basically, if you have participated from July itself, then you will be receiving the Arcade Insider email. And if you have just fill the form, basically when you enrolled in the Arcade Facilitator program and fill the form, then you'll expect basically the email will be out in September. And regarding this progress report, it is for Arcade Facilitator program, basically from 4th of August till 6th of October, all the badges and skill badges, game badges you complete, it will be shown over here. So make sure to check this progress report as you get. Okay, here you have seen all these things. Now I'll recommend complete as many games, as many skill batches and lab free courses to reach the top path, because as you have seen there were some bugs in the labs also. So basically you need to check it and complete as soon as possible so that you don't face any last time minute issues. Okay, so this is the main thing I wanted to share, and basically the progress report is already available here. You can see here they have also mentioned that complete any 6 games. So here you can just understand it. Okay, now if you want to contact your facilitator, the progress report has the connections, basically the LinkedIn profile. Also you can connect, and regarding if you have used the code provided by me, then your facilitator must have emailed you and you must have received some kind of email. You can reply to that email, or if you need any other help you can join our Telegram channel. I will just connect you with the facilitator and they'll be able to guide you. So basically this was the basic info video regarding the arcade facilitator progress report. It's simple, basically the number of games completion, trivia and skill patches completion, all these things are available over here. The resources I have already shared in the description, and here you need to understand that. So basically here you can see that here they have mentioned that if you want to just plan your journey or just check the syllabus, you can just come over here and you have got 600 credits. If you don't know how to claim, all these things are covered on this playlist. I'll link this playlist also in the description, you can watch it. So this was the basic info regarding the point system. Okay, So here all these things are covered over here. I will recommend to complete the arcade games and trivia first. And basically, if you haven't completed this special game, it is already live and the solution is also present on the channel. Come over here and just check the special game from the arcade homepage, right? You have to just come over here and just check the special game. It is mentioned over here. Let me show you. So the page is just opening. It will take some time. Wait for it. So yes, here it is a skills future ready skills games. Here it is up 2 points. You have to just come over here and complete it. Now regarding the solutions also, you have to just check the channel, or if you want to check the sheet directly, you can check it out. Here is the complete thing. You need to just see it. So basically for the future ready skills, all the 8 games, 8 videos are already live in the channel. You can just check it and just complete it. Okay. So the solution is already present. You can just check it out. And if you face any issue, you can let me know in the comments. Regarding the privacy fort, we have covered. And regarding the Arcade Insider email, also we have covered all your doubts. Now, basically, if you face any issue, you can let me know. That's all about this video. Thank you.